Oh, I think he's the best player in the Premier League at this minute in time in terms of creativity, his weight of pass. You know, I don't know if the guys will agree here, but I think at this minute in time, he's got a free kick now. Oh, no, over the bar. But I just think he's outstanding, absolutely outstanding. I just think to say, I said a few years ago when they bought him, I wouldn't pay to watch him. But that was unfair, because it was on a list of people like Rivaldo, Ronaldinho.
Well, you pay, Robbie, you're entitled to change your mind.
Yeah.
That was a ridiculous
And you
quote,
take
though,
No, but when I said it, it was on a list of all the best players there's ever been, and he was at the bottom of that list, so I wouldn't have...
Oh, look, Elton John...